If you want to share your password, secret note, API keys or sensitive documents with someone or anyone in a very secure and private way, then InPrivy is a special tool for you. And in this video, we will talk about the InPrivy. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover powerful tools that make your work safe and easy. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get the lifetime deal of InPrivy on AppSumo. If you use our link from description, the discount will be applied automatically. So let's talk about the video. Basically, this is a tool to share passwords, secret notes, APIs keys or sensitive documents with others in a very secure and private way. It is especially useful if you work with a team, clients, or need to send credentials to someone. And with InPrivy, you avoid the insecure emails or messy chat. Instead of, you can create a secret link that gives access to the secret one time or limited times. And once it opened, the secret disappears. So no risk of it being stored forever in someone's inbox. So how does InPrivy work? In a simple term, first you go to InPrivy and paste in the information you want to share, maybe a login password or an API key or a file. Then you generate a secret link. That link is the only way someone can see the information. You send that link to the person who need it. When they open it, they see the secret once, and after that the link becomes invalid. The secret is destroyed and cannot be accessed again. This way, sensitive data is not floating around in email threads or chat logs. Under the hood, InPrivy uses the strong security. The secret you create is encrypted with AES 256, a modern, very secure standard. That means the InPrivy servers cannot read your information. Only the person with the secret link, they can decrypt it. You are also fully in control. You decide how many times the link can open, for example, just once or like 2-3 times, or when it expires, maybe after a few days. If you want, then you can even add a password for extra protection before someone opens the link. And if at any point you change your mind, you can void the link manually, meaning it becomes useless even the other person didn't open it. Now, InPrivy is not just sending the secrets to the other person, it also works well when you need a safe way to store or send the sensitive data to yourself. For example, from your work computer to your phone. So this way, you don't rely on insecure notes or chat apps. Many freelancers, agencies, and small teams use it to share their website login, API keys, or financial data securely. One great benefit of InPrivy is that you can pay once and use forever. The lifetime deal of InPrivy on AppSumo gives you full access to the features, like no recurring fees, no surprise charges. So that is a good advantage over the many other password or secret sharing services. You also get the nice extra feature, the ability to upload files, not just the text, up to the allowed storage limit, custom branding and custom domain, which help you if you run an agency and want the sharing page to look professional, and an optional public unload link that you can share with your clients so they can send you their sensitive information securely without needing an account. And of course, no solution is perfect for everyone. InPrivy is different from a full password manager. It does not store and autofill the password for your across devices. Rather, its purpose is sharing your information or transferring it by secretly or safely, not the long-term password vault. So if you need a tool to manage and autofill many passwords, you might also want a dedicated password manager. Also, because the secret link expires or get destroyed after viewing, you must act quickly. Once it's opened, the secret is gone. That's great for the security, but if the person loses the link or forgets to save it, the data is lost forever. And if you want long-term storage and sharing across many devices, InPrivy may not be enough by itself. If you want an easy and safe way to share password or sensitive data and you care about the privacy and the control, then InPrivy is definitely worth to considering. So that's it for today's video. If you want an easy way and safe way to share your password sensitive data, then you can check the link from description to get the lifetime deal on AppSumo of the InPrivy. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and remember to check the link from description if you want to grab the InPrivy lifetime deal. Then I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.